the brand new Doctor Who next.
This is the BBC. A message from Her Majesty's government will soon be broadcast. Please stand by. This is the BBC. We are receiving reports that a bomb went off at or near Downing Street. Please stay tuned to BBC One for further details on this ongoing event. We are getting reports that Prime Minister Tony Blair is injured. We will bring you more information as it comes. Please stay tuned to BBC One for more information. We are receiving reports of an explosion near King's Cross Street, Pancras. Stay calm. If anyone that you know was near that area, be assured that emergency services will be able to help them. Please stay tuned to BBC One for more information on this ongoing event. This is BBC One. We are sorry to tell you this, but Prime Minister Tony Blair has passed away due to his injuries by the explosion. We are still going to be broadcasting information on this event. We pray for the family of the Prime Minister. Stay tuned for information on this event. This is BBC One. We will join BBC News 24 in a bit. Please stand by.